Yo, what's good, fam? I'm out here at Daffin Park on this beautiful Saturday. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use my DJI wireless mic to connect with my cell phone, as you can see right here, through my Sony. So this is very important when it comes to content creating, because on the go, not only can you tether and see yourself as you're creating, but you can walk off with a far distance. You don't have to sit this close. And if you're doing an interview or if you want to talk somewhere further back, you can just do this. As you can see, I'm still talking back here and I can see myself, right? Keep going back. So no matter how far you're going back, the audio will still be able to be stitched to the camera. Now, if I would have left my phone over there, it might have, still, that's the only thing I will say this. The only thing is the connectivity between the phone and the camera may start to drop off because it is a wireless Bluetooth connection between the phone and the camera, but the microphone is still recording. So if you get to that situation, you may need to leave your phone by the camera or with someone that's close by the camera so the phone can stay connected to it, all right? So I'm gonna walk back. And as you see, I'm back at my spot, video still recording, and it's just that easy.